Right. So this is how a snowblower drive system works. So you see right now it is in, let's put it down into first. So first gear, you can see here's the plate, which is spun by the belt, which is spun by the engine. It goes up in here, and what actually happens is there's a disc, and if you see I rotate this disc here, turns that chain, and then there's this another sprocket up in here. Let me bring this down so you can see a little better. And there's another sprocket there. I know it's kind of rusty, but it's okay. I'm going to put some lube on that. There's another sprocket there, which turns that gear there. And then in the back here, this is the one that turns that here, that, and this goes to the wheels. So if I turn the wheels, you can see that this is spinning there. So what actually happens is, if you look, there's a whole plate here, and this actually has the whole belt system and everything attached to it. So when you pull on the cable for the handle, it pulls up on that disc, and it pushes pressure on that roller there. And when it pushes pressure on the roller, it spins the whole drive system. Now, when I wanted to go faster, so let's say I put it, I'm going to switch it all the way over to 6, so just hold that there. Moves the arm for this lever, it moves it out to here. Now I'm riding on the outside of the pulley, changing the ratio. So in here, when it's out here, it's riding this pulley much faster than when it would be riding in here. So it's basically how it works. Now, a few positions where you should lubricate it. What the hell? Look at that. What is that? Float?
It's one of your shitty ass plastic floats.
It's not plastic.
Yeah. That's some kind of...
That's cork.
How's that?
They put cork floats in some things. But you actually put grease on here. And if you grease this up this way, this whole drive system here can move. You can also lubricate the chains. They have them. Maybe sometimes they have gears or anything. You lubricate those. Lubricate the points and anything that moves. But just do not, whatever you do, do not lubricate this disc here, because then it'll slip and it'll be hard to move. But you lubricate this chain here, and you lubricate that shaft there, the gears, these bushings here that go in here and over in here, any bearings, anything that moves, even up there, you can lubricate. So whatever you do, don't go excessive, like don't kill it, and just don't get any on this wheel or there. But it's very important that you put grease on there and lubricate the chain, just with some fine oil or gear oil or something. I guess you can use grease too, but yeah, that's just kind of how it works.